What is up, cryptotubers? Jimmy J back after a very, very long hiatus. I just wanted to drop by and just, for all those that didn't know on the Discord, that I came back a little while ago, and it was good to see all the support that was around there. I was really happy to see that, you know, people in the Discord seem to be keeping it running really well, and there's still such a great community in there. So yeah, look, just a quick line to drop into you guys and see how anyone's going. Put how you're going down in the comments. I wasn't trading at all for a long time, but I've started dabbling a little bit lately, so I'm looking at possibly coming back in and starting to bring out some more videos, get back in touch with the Kryptographyk community, the Kryptographyk family. And yeah, I just wanted to drop in and say that I've been getting into a new day job just to get a bit of steady income, because, you know, after a while, there's like, if you try and sort of live full-time off something like a YouTube channel or even your own business, anyone who's done this will know that business is just very up and down, and you know, your pay is very up and down. Some months it's good, some months it's bad, and I'm looking at trying to you know, I've started a new job as a technician again. This time not working for myself, working for somebody else, but at least it means that I get a steady paycheck each week, and have a bit more money to put into the markets and stuff, and start dabbling around in them again. But yeah, honestly, a lot of you guys know a bit of my backstory, but I've struggled with some sort of depression related stuff for many years, and honestly, you know, it got the better of me. What can I say? Everything was a bit overwhelming. I went through a breakup, and you know, I was just yeah, I needed a break from everything. I needed a break from all the pressure and stuff, and so I wanted to apologize as well to all those guys who didn't know where I was, and I want to thank my friend Nash for looking for me and finding me, and you know, bringing me back into the game and giving me a bit of encouragement, and also from the great encouragement that I got from you guys on the Discord. So yeah, I mean, it's good to see you guys. It's just a quick video, just to drop in and say I'm still hanging around in the background, and I'm aiming, now that I'm sort of settled into the new kind of 9-to-5 lifestyle, that I'm gonna have a bit more energy, a bit more time on my hands to be looking at making videos in the evenings again, and really getting more involved. So I've missed you guys. It was great. It was really heartwarming, all the support I got when I dropped in on the Discord a couple of weeks ago. And, you know, give me time, but gradually I'll be easing back into it and trying to get really involved in the community again as I was before. And can I say on that note that I'm just so proud of how far the community's come and how many great people we have there, great supportive people. So anyone who's new to this channel watching this, I mean, this video is more geared towards people that have been with me for a while and people that are in the Discord and in the group and whatnot. But anybody who's watching this for the first time, you should know that that Discord, the Kryptographyk Discord, is a really great place to be for a good crypto community that supports each other and helps each other, no matter what time of the day. So look, I'm looking forward to getting back in touch with you guys, getting back in the swing of things, trying to bring out, you know, as many more videos as I can. Bear with me, you know, it's not going to be an everyday upload like it used to be, but gradually I'm looking at really getting up there and putting more effort into it, and trying to continue to grow this great community that we've already grown so well. So thank you to all of you guys. Much peace and love going out to all of you. I hope everyone's alright. I hope everyone's not too down in their portfolios. But I believe that, you know, obviously this market is still very ripe to make money if you do the right things. So I'm planning on releasing a few videos looking at some new techniques, some new ways to take advantage of the current market climate and that kind of thing. and just looking forward to catching up with you guys more. So it's great to see you all. You know, hit me up with some comments on any questions you might have about recent investments or recent coins or that kind of thing. And I'm looking forward to mingling with you guys more and getting back in touch with the community that we created. Yeah, so good to see you guys again, and I'll see you again real soon. Kryptographyk out. Peace.